In addition to the ebook, you also have access to a variety of exercises that can help you work through the course content and prepare for your exams and assignments. We've taken a look at the ebook reading. Immediately following the ebook reading, you'll notice that you have a folder called Prepare Worksheets. These are great activities to help make sure that you understand the core concepts from the chapter. To open, simply click on the folder and then select the worksheet for the relevant topic. You'll likely have more than one worksheet per chapter. Once the worksheet opens, click Start Assignment Now. Your worksheets will contain several short questions to help make sure that you understand the concept at hand. To move from question to question, simply click on the question number from the list, or you can click on the arrow up here next to the question. To answer the question, just simply select the answer from the drop-down menu, choose the answer from the multiple choice question, or follow the other instructions that may be included. Notice that you do have the Check My Work link, which allows you to check your answer before you submit. Some questions may also include hints. To open the hint, simply click on the hint link and it will open. Any of the key terms will be called out, and you can place your cursor over top of the key term to reveal the definition. You can save your progress and return to it later. Once you're ready to submit your work to see the final answers, you can click on the Submit Assignment for Grading button. Please note that this activity is not being counted for a grade, but this allows you to submit your work so that you can see the correct answers. Many chapters may also include video exercises. To open up your video exercises, simply click on the folder, and then you can first click on the video. As with the worksheet, some chapters may also include more than one video. The video will cover a current event related to the topic that you're studying within the chapter. To play the video, simply click on the play button. Notice that you do have access to closed captioning as well as the downloadable transcripts. You can make the video full screen by clicking on the arrows. Once you're done watching the video, you can take a quick video quiz to make sure that you do understand the core concepts of the video. Next, you'll have your brief hypotheticals. You'll have a brief hypothetical assignment for each chapter. The brief hypotheticals are designed to help you apply the core concepts that you've learned in the chapter to a hypothetical situation. This will help to make sure that you do understand the practical application of the concepts that you're learning in the chapter. As with the worksheets, you have the Check My Work link, which allows you to check to see if your answer is correct before you submit. Again, you can navigate from question to question using the list that's located on the left-hand side, or you can click on the arrow here in the top corner. These questions are designed to help you think critically about the concepts that you've learned. The worksheets are designed to make sure that you've understood the basics of what's being covered in the chapter. And the video exercises are a great way for you to see a real-life example of what you're learning within the chapter. Lastly, some chapters may also have case problem blueprints. These are great activities to help you work through a case study. Note that every chapter may not contain a case problem blueprint. In the case problem blueprints, you're presented with a case and then walked through the important pieces of information that you'll need to identify within the case. Once you've identified the basics, you're then walked through the analysis of the case. This includes the what and the why of what's going on in the case. After you've done this analysis, you'll have the what if the facts were different set of questions. This helps you think about how your analysis of the case would change if some of the data points were different within the case. As with the other activities that we've looked at, you have the Check My Work link to make sure that your work is correct. After you click the Submit Assignment for Grading, you'll be able to see the correct answers for the case problem blueprint. As you are working through the MindTap activities, if you run into any issues, please remember that you can run a system check as well as access Cengage Learning technical support by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can click on the System Check link to run a quick diagnosis to make sure that your system meets the requirements in order to run MindTap. Lastly, if you are running into an issue as you're working, click on the Customer Support link to open up a customer support ticket with Cengage Tech Support. After you submit your case, you will be presented with a telephone number so that you can talk live with an agent or have the option to start a live chat session with one of our agents. Our chat is open 24/7.